What's up, traders? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Total profits on the day, $489 in a matter of almost 30 minutes. So it was like 23 minutes into the market. Not bad. Now, today, I wasn't even going to trade today. I woke up, looked at my scanners, looked at all my scanners, and there was absolutely nothing on the scanner at all. The market was just, I was like, oh my God, you have got to be kidding me. It's even worse than what it was yesterday. And it goes back to AWX. I know I keep talking about it, but that, AWX, that stock blew up a lot of accounts. It basically scared everyone away. So I said that basically, if I got to take days off, I'll take days off. I'm not going to force any trades. If the setup's there, I'll take it. But just pre-market, there's just absolutely no volume on any stocks. Typically, I have to see a minimum of 30,000 shares traded pre-market on a particular stock before it actually makes my watch list. So pre-market today, there was nothing on my watch list. I basically told my members, I was like, yeah, I'm just going to watch my scanners. If something pops up, the setup's there, I'll take it. So 2 stocks today and 2 stocks only, GDS and RXII. Right now, the count's at roughly $72,000, so still growing the account. But like I said, I'm going to be taking smaller position size. So for those that don't know, typically, I trade with larger position size, anywhere from 5,000 to 15,000 shares. Of course, I'm not going to jump in, full size 15,000 shares. A lot of times I'll, scale in. But now I've reduced my position size. Honestly, anywhere from 500 to 2,000 shares. The largest position I took today at one point was 20. I only got filled like 2,400 shares. Otherwise, it was 1,000 shares, 1,400 shares, 500 shares. So it goes to show you, taking small size, you can still, get anywhere from $100 to $500 a day, which is really, really good. Just every day, $100 to $200, $100 to $500 days. It's really good, guys. I mean, think about it, $489 profit in 30 minutes, say 30 minutes. I mean, where are you going to get that? So we'll go over the trades here. First trade I took today was, GDS was on my scanner pre-market, but I don't know. I was watching it. I was like, man, this thing's grinding. I was like, anytime you get in, it could just dump on you, right? So someone buys it up here for the break, they get dumped on, right? They buy it up here, they get dumped on. So is this, when you're watching something like this, you can't chase it. It's hard not to chase it because you're like, oh my God, I was just down here at 24.20. Now it's up here at 27. I don't want to miss a move. Fear of missing out kicks in. So, I did see it, but I was like, I'll throw it on my back burner to see what really happens with this one. But RXII, the closer we got to the bell, RXII, the volume started to come in. I believe one of my members said that like they just released some sort of news. So looking at this one, I was like, all right, well, it is a former runner. It can make a move when it wants to. I'll watch this one out of the gate. So right before the bell rang, right here, it did pop up. So the volume was coming in here. The bell rang. Obviously, it pushed up, and then it pulled back, and I bought it. I bought it for the break, the pre-break of this 210 area. So you can see I bought it right there. And I jumped in with, like I said, I was taking small size today, guys. I jumped in with, I tried to get 1,500 shares, but I only got filled 1,482. Bought it right here, popped up, just sold it for the quick pop. I saw $177 in profit. I'm sorry, it's like $132 in profit. I took that. Nothing crazy. Like I said, I wasn't really feeling it because typically these stocks under 250 I don't really like. You guys can see it was choppy, and later on in the day, I took a quick washout. I saw this big washout towards what this resistance area right here. You guys, you see resistance. So I bought the washout right here. Went against me a little bit, sold for the quick pop. That one I only took again like 1,500 shares. So that was actually I'm sorry. That was I barely made any profit on that one. So the majority of the profit was this move right here. This wasn't shit. So but GDS, that one I made that one was $311 for GDS. And this one I saw when the market opened, it had this big washout towards the VWAP. So this is what I'm trying to say, guys. This VWAP, I use it as a guide. You guys can see it just dumped towards the VWAP. If you would have bought that quick washout. You can see it just popped up real nice. So I was watching this one. I saw, when I was watching RXII, I saw this move happen. I'm like, you know what, this thing's looking dead. I'm gonna watch this one for a washout. Now, the backside washout, I was telling everyone, I was like, be careful with it, because this one, this is the backside washout. It's more risky. So it had big washout right here. Oh God, what's going on here? You guys can see this resistance area right here. Boom, boom. That resistance. So you guys could see that boom right there. Boom, boom. I bought it right there off that resistance, or that's what was once resistance. I bought off that support area. You guys can see I got filled, partial fill, and then it dumped more. And then this resistance right here, that was now support. I bought it off right there, sold it into the quick pop, a partial fill, then finally I got out the rest right there. And that was like a $256 in profit. And then I was watching a little bit more, again, waiting for a big washout. I missed this one. I was waiting for this one to, like, it had a right there, the 24.85. I was like, it was really holding support here, support. You guys can see this is a major support area. Excuse me, I was waiting for a big washout after that. It dumped. I missed this candle right here. Jumped in right here. I jumped in 500 shares at 24.66. Sold it for the quick pop at 24.71. And a little bit more bucks to the wallet. And then you guys get to see, it finally came all the way back down to a low of $22 on the day. So this is what I mean, guys. This is what I mean by, when you get these big washouts, you got to be quick to sell into the quick pop, because if you don't, obviously you're just going to be bag holding this thing all the way down. So again, this front side of the move, boom, back side of the move. When I buy these washouts on the back side of the move, you have to be extremely disciplined, and you have to be quick. Again, I say this is not for new traders. Typically if you're going to look for a washout long, look for it on the front side of the move, guys. Do not chase. Do not chase. I do not want to see anyone lose money in the stock market. I don't want to see anyone blow up. I don't want to see anyone lose money. I don't want to see anyone blow up, right? Yeah, I think we're going to call it there. I hope this video helps and educates you guys in some shape, way, and form. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're stopping into the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, guys, and I will see all you dudes in the next video. Trade safe tomorrow.